This is Chapter 1, Whole Numbers, Section 1.5. And we're talking about rounding. This number is red, 5,602,943. Notice I did not say and any time there. The word and is only used when you have a decimal in the number. Whole numbers have no decimals. We English speakers tend to get a little lazy and say and when none is needed, as in 5,602,943. That's incorrect. Anyway, suppose you were asked to round this number to the nearest million. You would look at the number, and let's underline the place where you were asked to round. Let's see. I was asked to round to the millions place. That's the millions place. Now, look at the place to the right of that number. Ask yourself, is this number 5 or greater? If it is, you must round up, meaning the 5 million becomes 6 million. And the rest of these numbers become zeros. Round or rounding, you get zeros. So my rounded number is 6 million. Okay, let's try rounding to the 100,000 place. Same number. 5,602,943. Look to the right of the underlined place. What is that number? 0. 0 is not greater than 5. Or 5. So my underlined number stays the same, and all the rest becomes zeros. Let's round to the nearest 1,000. 5,602,943. To the right of the 2, we see the number 9. That is greater than 5, so my 2 becomes a 3. The rest are zeros, making the number rounded to the nearest 1,000, 5,603,000. One more tricky point. Look at this number. 499,999. How would we round this number to the nearest 100? I look to the right. It's greater than 5, so the underlined number goes up by 1. But that makes that a 0, and I have to plop a 1 over here. And that makes that a 0, and I have to plop a 1 over here, and then that becomes a 0. I've started a domino effect. The number rounded to the nearest 100 will be 500,000. Now, there are a lot of ways of estimating. We're going to talk about estimation. Estimating in the Hawks program, they want you to do it in a specific way so they know you understand. They are asking you to round to the place farthest to the left. This means that the number 57 would round to the tens place, which would be 60. The number 275 would round to the hundreds place. And the number 6,329 would round to the furthest to the left, is the thousands place. That would be 6,000. And then you would add or subtract or multiply as your problem indicates.